Here's how to make a flavorful, juicy turkey. In the description box down below will be the list of ingredients. All of my cut vegetables are in 2 large separate bowls. I have my diced onions, my diced green onions, my rosemary, my cilantro, and crushed garlic in one bowl. And in another bowl, I have my celery, my bell pepper, and my greens. Alright, so I put all of my seasonings in a bowl. It's easy to season that way. Remember, there's water that's going to be coming from these vegetables as it cooks. The water is going to come out of the vegetables, and you just want to make sure you put plenty of seasoning so that your food will not be bland. So just put as much as you can in the vegetables and taste the vegetables to see if it's flavorful, and if it is, that's good. And then of course you're going to season your turkey after you finish seasoning your vegetables. So now you're going to mix the vegetables with the seasonings and mix them well, and I'm just going to do this with my hands. Here is the turkey pan that I'll be using, along with the turkey bag that I'll be using to cook the turkey in. This is key to help keep the moisture for the turkey. So now I'm going to fill the bag up with the vegetables, just creating a bed for the turkey to lie in. I'm just going to fill it up so that it covers the bottom of the bag. As you can see, the bottom of the bag is covered with vegetables. Alright, now it's time to season the turkey itself with the same seasoning that I use to season the vegetables. You're going to rub your turkey from front to back, up and down, all over, because you just want flavor just on every end of the turkey. So just rub it down with the, I guess you can call it rub. And to help ensure seasoning is penetrated into the turkey, I poke it a little with a knife before I put it in the bag. So I insert the turkey top first, with the chest touching the bottom of the pan. And I'm going to finish rubbing the turkey down with seasonings for the parts that I wasn't able to access in the sink. And now I'm going to put the remaining vegetables inside the turkey, into the cavity of the turkey. Just fill it all the way up. Okay, so I also put the remaining vegetables on top of the turkey, along with underneath the wings of the turkey. And ensure that you cover every part of the turkey with seasoning. There is a little part at the top of the turkey where it's like a little crevice. You can put some of the vegetables in there along with seasoning. So just ensure that you rub your turkey down even more, just to make sure you have it to the taste that you like. With seasonings, of course. So now I twist the bag closed and I also secure it with the provided tie from the turkey kit. This is all I do in regards to securing the bag. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let the turkey sit in the refrigerator overnight, or you can just let it marinate in those seasonings for a few hours before you pop it in the oven. All right, so now I'm gonna refer to this chart on how long my turkey is gonna stay in the oven based on its weight. And not only for how long, but what temperature. So please remember to keep those instructions for that. All right, so the turkey I pulled it out of the oven, it cooled off a little, and now I'm going to attempt to turn the turkey over. And as you can see, there's a lot of juices or broth from the turkey in the pan that will be later used for dressing. And so I'm going to I'm going to try to turn it over so I can taste the chest of it and show you how moist and flavorful the white meat is. And as you can see, there's a lot of broth and vegetable from this way of cooking the turkey. You can use the broth for another recipe, like for dressing, or you can just keep it for drizzling over your turkey slices. You don't need any gravy, but you can have gravy, but you can also use the vegetables as garnishing over your turkey slices. All right, this is all that I have to share with you. I hope you try this recipe, and please comment down below and let me know, how did your turkey come out, or what did you do differently, or what do you do for your turkey? Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.